In 1769, a coin dealer in Frankfurt controlled a small money-changing business on Jew Street. By 1815, his 5 sons controlled the financial systems of England, France, Austria, Naples, and Prussia. By 1850, the family controlled more wealth than all the royal houses of Europe combined. Their name was Rothschild, and the banking system they built, the central banking model they created, the war financing mechanism they perfected, they didn't disappear when the gold standard collapsed. They evolved, they spread, and they control your life right now in 2025. The mortgage you pay, the national debt your taxes service, the interest rates that determine your purchasing power, the central banks that print your currency. Every single one uses the Rothschild playbook: multi-generational wealth preservation through trusts, central bank monopolies on currency creation, financing both sides of conflicts to guarantee profit, and a network of intermarried banking families that coordinate policy across borders while remaining invisible to public scrutiny. The Rothschilds didn't just build a banking empire, they built the architecture of modern finance. The Federal Reserve uses their model, the European Central Bank uses their structure, the IMF and World Bank use their lending playbook. And you cannot escape it because the system isn't Rothschild banks, the system is the method: central banking, sovereign debt, interest-bearing currency, war finance. And that method has been replicated by every central bank, every government bond market, every international financial institution for 250 years. Let me show you exactly how the Rothschilds built the system, how they used war to become the richest family in history, how central banking made them untouchable, and why 250 years after Mayer Amschel Rothschild started a coin shop in Frankfurt, you still pay interest to a system his family designed. Because understanding the system isn't academic, it's survival. The system is designed to extract wealth from nations through sovereign debt and concentrate it in banking families through compounding interest. And once you see how it works, you'll see it everywhere. Mayer Amschel Rothschild was born February 23, 1744, in the Frankfurt ghetto. Jews in Frankfurt were confined to a single street, Judengasse, Jew Street. They couldn't own land. They couldn't hold most occupations, but they could deal in money. Mayer's father was a money changer and coin dealer. When his father died, Mayer took over the business at age 13. This was the foundation, not grand banking, coin dealing. But Mayer understood something that would make his family the richest in history. Whoever controls the creation and supply of money controls everything else. Land, armies, governments, nations, all secondary to the power of money creation. In 1769, Mayer became court agent to Prince William of Hanau, one of the wealthiest royals in Europe. William made his fortune renting Hessian soldiers to other kingdoms, mercenary armies. Mayer helped William manage these payments, taking a commission on every transaction. But Mayer's real innovation was his sons. He had 5 sons: Amschel, Salomon, Nathan, Karl, and James, and in the early 1800s, Mayer sent them to the 5 financial capitals of Europe: